Hello guys, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So guys, today we are going to create this soap case design in Solidworks. So look how we create this simple modeling in Solidworks. I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching. So let's see how we create this soap case design in SolidWorks by using various features command like fillet, extruded cut, extruded boss base, and many more. So just we have to create. So go to the file, select new part, and here we change the background to plain white. Okay, so better to select top plane, right click, sketch normal. Here we will create center rectangle, so we will create it from this center point. Okay, go to the smart dimension, select this line, and we will make it 67.92 mm. Okay, now again we select this line. This one we will keep it 97.39. Okay, so here is time to make the extrude. So go to the feature, select extruded boss base. We will make it 10 mm upside. Okay, so again we create the apply the fillet to four corners. We will keep it 40 mm. So just go to the fillet, select 40 mm. Now here it's time to select the edge. So select this one also, and this last one. Okay, so again we just apply the fillet to this edge. We will keep it 30 mm radius. Okay, so here we will create this one. So it's time to make the fillet of 30 mm below side. So go to the fillet, select 30 mm, select this one edge. So we will keep the fillet like this. Okay, so here it's time to apply the seal command. We will keep the thickness of 2 mm this body. So go to the seal feature. Here we will change to 2 mm. So the thickness we will keep it 2 mm. Okay, so look how we seal this part modeling, this solid modeling. So go to the fillet. So here we will apply the fillet this edge of 2 mm. Okay, so again go to the fillet, go to the fillet command. Now here is time to apply this edge. We will just make it 0.2 mm. Okay, so here we apply the fillet. So go to select this face, right click, sketch normal. Here we will create a rectangle circular cutout. So we will go to the straight slot, and here we select the center point, create up to here. Okay, so here it's time to make the dimension. So go to the feature. Here we select the smart dimension, select this one, make it 15 mm. Okay, so we will apply the gap between this rectangular slot. So we will keep it 3 mm. So here it's time to make this linear pattern. So go to the linear pattern. Here we entity to pattern. So we simply select this sketch. The gap we will keep it 5 mm, and we will make the pattern of 3 numbers. So first we keep the gap 5 mm. Number of entities we will keep 3 numbers. Okay, so here it's better to make the mirror to this slot. So again we just make the linear pattern. So just we make it reverse direction. Gap we will keep it 5 mm and we will keep 3 numbers. Okay, so here it's time to make the extrude cut. Again we make the fillet. So go to the fillet, select this face. Okay, so here we will keep 0.5. Okay, now we will apply the fillet back side also. So just drag, select this face. Okay, so guys, look how we create this showcase in SolidWorks, and this is the beginner tutorials. I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching. So here it's time to apply the appearance material. So go to the appearance, select plastic. Here we will keep high gloss plastic. Simply select and drag. Look this one.